everyone, this is Chef Deborah and welcome to Mixology with Chef Deborah. And today we are not baking, we are not cooking, and we are making drinks for today. Okay, as you can see my outfit today, I'm wearing yellow headband, violet, see, violet apron. As you can see, I'm making coffee for the day. See, because as you can see, I have Nescafe here. I have also Brazilian coffee. Okay. So, what we are going to do. First, I would like to share to you this recipe. So guys, I don't have espresso machine right now here in my kitchen, but I can make a very nice classic latte and mocha latte for you. Okay? First of all, I would like to prepare first our cream, okay? Because I want to put some whipped cream on top of my coffee. Okay? So, I have here instant whipped cream. This is powder form, so I will use this one for the meantime. Okay? I will add only a milk with this powder, okay? But if you don't have like this, I will teach you also I will give you also one recipe that you can use as a whipped cream. So, you have to buy UHT 35% heavy cream, okay? And then you have to, in 1 cup, you have to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. And you mix it or whip it in with the balloon attachment of your mixer, okay? But be careful in mixing a whipped cream because it falls down or become watery if you overmix the whipped cream. So this is another recipe that I want to share to you. 1 cup of whipped cream or whipping cream, 1 cup of whipping cream, the heavy cream, UHT 35%, and then add 1 tablespoon of sugar. I will put all the recipe in the description of this video. Okay? Okay? So 1 sachet of this, I will open 1 sachet. Okay? 1 sachet of this cream, and I will add, wait, my weighing scale. Where is my weighing scale? Wait, for the meantime. So, you have to add 115 ml of milk. Okay, this is my milk. This is full cream milk. Okay, 115 ml of milk. If you are in a hurry, okay, and this is more cheaper, okay, I think, than UHT whipping cream. Okay, you have to mix it. Okay, we just mix it. Just mix it until you get the soft thick stage. You need to prepare this one first because in advance. Okay, if you want to use also the ready one, the dispenser, much better, you know. If you are making only at home, it's fine like this. But if it is for your business, you have to be to get something which is easier to prepare. Okay, which is easier and low cost for you. Okay. Now it's coming good. So how are you guys? This is the first time. This is my first coffee recipe that I will share to all of you. Now it's coming okay. for your business. More consistent as well, the texture. Now it's ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's ready, guys! See? It's ready now, our whipped cream. Okay, so let us set aside this one and I will ready now our coffee. So all you need to do, put some hot water, 30 ml of hot water. Okay, it must be hot, okay? So 30 ml, so I put 40. It exceeds. Okay, 30 ml of hot water. And then I will put strong Nescafe coffee or instant coffee. So because we don't have espresso, so I will make it stronger, you know. Put 1 tablespoon. Okay? It's up to you also how stronger do you want. But for me, it's fine, the 1 tablespoon. This is the standard. For me, this is the standard. Okay? You just mix like this, okay, until the granules was melted. Okay? So what we are making now is the espresso, okay? This is my espresso because I don't have machine. Okay? So the product that I'm going to make, the drinks that I'm going to make is the classic latte. Okay? And next, the next is I will put some, where is my condensed milk? Okay, I have condensed milk here. So put 60 ml of condensed milk. 60 ml of condensed milk. Okay. For 1 mug, okay? For 1 mug, 60 ml of condensed milk. And then put ice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah, sorry. So it's 5, guys, 5 ice. And then put the espresso or our Nescafe. The concentrated Nescafe. Because I don't have espresso. That's why I use this Nescafe. Okay, next, we will put some milk. Milk is 100 ml or 120 ml will be better. Okay, 120 ml of milk. Okay, we have 120 ml of milk. And then, to froth the milk, I don't have a machine, espresso machine, so I will use this one to froth my milk, okay? I will use this one. Okay? See? This is battery operated, you know, to froth my milk. At least a little bit, have some bubble, okay? It will be better. Okay? It will be better to become bubbly, little bit bubbly. You know? Yeah, I like doing this one, you know, but I don't have a espresso machine here. And nobody knows that I don't know this one. Sorry. I keep it a secret before. At least, now you know. I have idea about this also. Now you know. Everybody knows na. So, now it's okay, I think. Our milk is bubbly now and froth. We will froth our milk. Okay? And then I will put this milk here. Wow. See, I told you. Exactly 1 mug. And now I want to put something here, a cream on top, so that it is look like very beautiful, you know. So I have here my pastry bag with the icing tip or nozzle. Okay? To put a cream on top. Okay? Just put it something like this. 1 round, 2, 3, and 4. Wow! It's very nice. See? If you want to add something or some garnish, it's up to you. Some are putting some cocoa powder on top. Just only for garnish only, you know. I will try now, okay guys? You know guys, this is very easy to make, you know. But before you try it, you need to mix, okay? You need to mix first the down part. Okay? Because the condensed milk is there. So that becomes sweeter. My God, it's very nice coffee. Really, really, I like it. You know. Wait, guys, I will come closer so that you will see. See? Guys, very nice, really. You know, guys, same like you are drinking espresso, you know? Same like I'm using espresso, even I'm using only instant coffee. Really, that's why, see? You need to mix well. Okay? Wow, I like it. I really like it. I hope you like this recipe, guys. See, we can make now our own business even without espresso machine. You can drink also a very nice coffee even you are only at home. Just like and share my video, and of course copy this recipe. Do it in your home to give to your family and to your loved ones. Okay? You know, I have Brazilian coffee beans here, but we need to simmer it in the pot. So I told you I always want instant. Okay, instant, but sometimes instant, but it's also very nice. Okay. Really good. Really. See? I'm feeling like I'm drinking coffee from very popular coffee shop. But I don't say. what coffee shop. Yeah. I'm not saying because it's not advertisement. It's good, guys. Okay? Let's do the next coffee. Okay? Now, let's do the next coffee. Okay? I will do the next coffee for you. So, what is the next coffee? Okay? Now, we will make mocha. Okay? Mocha latte. So, all you need to do, again, you get 30 ml of hot water. 30 ml of hot water. Okay? This is mocha, okay? And 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. 1 tablespoon. Just because this is mocha, we will put cocoa powder. Okay? This is the alkalized cocoa powder. Okay? I will put only, wait, only 5 grams. Okay? So, I put 5 grams only, okay? All you need to do, you just mix it until it was melted. Okay? So, always mix it with the hot water, guys, okay? Remember that. Because if you mix it with the cold water, it will not melt it. It will not melt, I mean. You know? That's why you need to mix it with the hot water. Wow. So next, I'm going to now, we need to put now condensed milk, okay? 60 ml of condensed milk. So 60 ml. Okay. After that, put some ice also. 1. I usually put only 5 ice. 3, 4, 5. Okay? And then we will pour now our cocoa powder mixed with the coffee mixture. Okay? Wow! And then after that, I will put again milk. So 120 ml of milk. 120 ml of milk again, once again. I'm sorry because I don't have jug here. Same like barista jug. I did not buy yet. Okay, but I will buy later, very soon. So I'm using this jug. So now we will froth the milk again. Okay, at least 1 minute. Okay, just look if it is coming bubbles. Okay. Okay. I hope you like it, guys. You know, guys, I'm enjoying making video like this. You know, because this is added value to share to all of you. At least I can share some recipe that you don't need espresso machine just to drink a very nice coffee. You know, that's why I'm teaching you how to do it. Okay? You know, I feel like I want to be a demo chef like this. Okay, I don't need to work now in production kitchen or anywhere. Or maybe development. I think being a demo chef teacher or trainer it's fine. At least I can teach the student, and they can learn something from me as well. I can develop students. I can develop their skills and mind. Okay, that's it. Now I will put now here the milk. Okay, and of course, lastly, I want to put also cream on top. I make more. Oops. It's fall down. So we put some garnish. Okay, only cocoa powder. If you want to put some cinnamon, it's up to you. So again, I will use violet. Okay? Now our coffee mocha or coffee mocha latte. Mocha latte is ready. Come on, let's try it now, guys. So guys, I will try now. Okay, I like it. Really, really nice, guys. See, I will come there to show you. Okay. See? See? This is our mocha latte. See the cream. The cream is coming out. That's why, guys. That's why I become very thin like this because of this. It's good. So before you drink, of course, you have to mix it properly. Okay? The cream is falling down because I put more. Mix it properly. Very nice, guys. Really. And this cream also very nice. Really. The taste is good. Okay. Really. So good, guys. Really, mocha! Mocha, mocha, mocha. So guys, you don't need to go to the very expensive coffee shop to buy or to drink something like this. You can do it easily in your home. So, and you can make this also as a business, even you don't have espresso machine. Okay? And next time I will teach you how to put something inside aroma and flavors. This is only a basic, okay? I teach you now only the basic. If you want to add something caramel, toffee nut, maple syrup, or whatever you want to add flavors inside the coffee, hazelnut, I will teach you how to do it, okay? Even this is simple instant coffee or Nescafe coffee only, but I make it same like espresso taste.
Like and share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me in Instagram and Facebook page. And of course, don't forget to click the bell so that you will notify whenever I uploaded a new video for you. And again, this is Chef Deborah. Thank you for watching.